already off to a good start. Consists of Baja Blast. We've got 2 electric skateboards for us to cruise around now. Parker, what are we doing today?
We got the eBay special.
You want us to flick that neon light? Get that mood set right in here?
Oh yeah.
We have a disaster from wrapping the Mazda, so we're gonna clean out first.
Like spray paint these black.
We can literally do it right now. Stab with the screwdriver. Place bolts in cardboard. You know what? Screw it. Let's just go for the hot boy look. Dude, what are you doing? Look at that. Well, at least it won't vibrate now.
Let's put it in.
I got it in. I got it in.
Really?
We just gotta have the magic fingers. You're living up to this plate right now. The simplest thing. Can he do it?
It's almost in.
Clean.
It's cooking. It matches the plate.
That is a fact.
There we go.
Future install coming soon. Yeet, yeet, yeet. Start up and idle. Dude, it's gonna be way louder. It's actually a lot tamer than I thought back here. Putting on the loud maker. Brother needs to get used to this driveway. This is a 10-point turn. Watch the pull, the car. Parker, hey! Scaring the crap out of me. I'm like, do you see a car there? I went full panic. Look, you got that. That'll take the house down. That'll take the house down. Giveaway is over if you hit that.
How'd the backup camera, dog?
Bro, I thought you were for sure gonna hit the car for some reason. I was like, I don't know if he knows that's there, because you already freaked me out with the 10-point turn, and at that point, my trust was going this. And I saw you heading towards the giveaway car. I was like, it's about to be over right now. Little typical assessment.
Got a fatty leak
right here.
Probably shouldn't touch it because it's probably kind of hot.
But if you're wondering, the Gretty setup, big old resonator here, big old one right there, then straight out the back. Do you like this exhaust? Do you not like it?
Never had anything else. So, I mean, it sounds pretty good.
I honestly don't think this is common, so it'll be nice to see what it sounds like with and without some volume. We're messing up.
Do like a tense action shot right here.
I need to get a bolt off battery.
Ooh.
That thing's sweet. We got new one. We got new ones. Yeah, it's gone. Hold on. I know Parker's dad's coming over. Mine might too. Let's get them supervision chairs. There are two biggest fans to chairs right here. Bro, they already caught us installing this, dude. They're coming for us.
Dude, they're coming.
It's over here, it's over here.
I think we're good. Those look like 12.
Alright, oh, V-band, O2 sensors, where are you? Let me spray that with some PB blaster. And then the V-band is right where I'm pointing.
This one's daddy, this one's mommy, this is the stepbrother, this is the oldest daughter, this one right here is the forgotten middle child, and this one is the youngest that gets their way.
One dad showed up. Hey, have you talked to my dad? No? Hopefully he shows up. If he loves me, he'll show up. You love Parker.
I do.
It's nice of you to show up, you know?
Well, I'm here for moral support. I feel like I'm at Olin Mills getting my picture taken. The OG family picture spot when I was a kid. And they had those really bad, horrible, like woods background pictures in the back. Why am I doing this?
Because you can't stand watching, Dad. Get out of the way. Let me do it. That's what my dad's like. Note, both plugs are on top. Up, up, and away. Now V-band and knock her loose. Does that V-band seem like it's about to melt off?
Oh, I can't see
Dude,
that
it's
well.
smoking. Look at the tip of this. Yeah, those threads are gonna go bye-bye. This thing was smoking.
For me.
See how fast you grab that tool though?
I know. I like to walk around and look for like a good 10-15 minutes for every tool because I can't find it.
If you're a newbie, you can go to O'Reilly's and rent the tool. Maybe that one would be best?
This one be good.
Sheesh.
Woo.
Hey guys, my dad does love me. He's here.
Just bringing gloves. You guys are making me work.
You are the one that just started working.
You were impatient.
Now we have another extra two hands, so now me and Parker are out of business, and it is now a dad YouTube channel.
It's a really rad tool.
Well, if I own it, you own it.
Aww.
You put the O2 sensors in backwards. Psych. You got you to look.
Get me tripping balls.
Slide it up there. Why the V-band gets all crusty is because it heats up and cools down every day.
Crispy?
Crusty.
Crispy. Like the end of your burger. It's nice and crispy.
In-N-Out buns.
Oh, baby.
Sir? Go get a room, sir.
Oh, that's good.
I've always been great at holding flashlights.
My dad used to always yell at me.
Did he tell you to get off your phone?
I didn't have a phone when I was your age. Lame dad joke. Oh, freaking cheater.
Forgot I had that for a sec.
The light bar.
The light bar, baby. The thing about this LED band is it makes your forehead hot. It builds heat.
Ooh, that's pretty sexy right there. Ooh, that's real sexy.
That's the difference between me and you, is I can get the clamp on.
Boy.
Let me get this nuts.
About to ram this nut on this freaking corroded icon right here. It doesn't let the nut go to the bottom. It keeps the nut at the top. It's so good, so good.
The daddy extension.
There's no thread up there. It is fried. But it's so corroded, it's stuck in there. Remember I had to throw it on the ground? Bruh. This is concerning, fellas. It's like really in there. Morning, fellas.
Good morning.
Bag secured?
Bag is secure.
We got our extra wide D-ring clamp. Sweet! Hit us with that part number, boy.
CV675A231C.
Screenshot. Cool. Found some extras.
About 1.5 inches.
Should we PB blast those on the ground?
Yeah, you can give them a little love.
Take out your finger right now. Well, that's good for it.
Oh yeah, sexy.
Gonna work, mate.
Yes sir. Gonna work just fine. Let's get the bolts and get the pipe over here.
That is funny looking. Note to self, O'Reilly's AutoZone Napa. Anything you wished they don't carry. Satisfying.
Same thing with that.
Hello, neighbors.
That might sound like sounds like more rumbly.
You're gonna hear it a lot more in the cab. You're gonna hear it turbo like crazy.
Really? Said, oh yeah.
Throttle response.
Probably need to do a tune-up, do spark plugs, and I guess there's really not anything else, right? Just spark plugs.
Step holder spark plugs, yeah. Alright, we're good.
The rumble is already so much better.
Shows its true exhaust. No, better. It's not as loud in here as I thought it'd be for like driving slow. That's good. That's gonna change.
It sounds more like crispy instead of just like one flat like sound. It doesn't sound as dull.
I can just hold there. If you're watching this video, you need to get a tune, and if you do run it like this, the car will overboost. It can cause problems, so Parker's gonna be driving it around slow, not full throttle, until we get the tuning handled, which will be in a later video.
Said that burble is nice. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you liked today's video, go and check out this one right here of these super sick and affordable sequential turn signal lights for your Focus. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.